the Hayashi breads. Look at this bread here. I buy soft drinks. Pizza. Banana cake. The banana cake. Also it's here. Ubia. Ubi. This one, chocolate. This chocolate. Banana cake muffins. This is the chocolanay. Chocolanay din. Torta. We have this cinnamon. But I'm full. I don't know what I. This is very delicious. The cheesy white cheese donuts. Guys, I love the chocolate donut. What I like. Only this. Nag-vlogger na ako. Nag-vlog ko. Hayashi breads. So, but I don't know. I don't like to eat bread this time. But I like to eat something there. Kuchinta. The winner today is of the 1 p.m. in the afternoon of March 6th. It's Thursday today. It's so cloudy. There is small rains. Small rains. Look at my blouse. My blouse is ash hard. Ash hard. There is a new building. Finished building. I never see new building. Accomplished. Finished that building. So cross the street. Oh my god, this is so afraid of the bus. But this time I like to buy the kuchinta guys. Mga snacks ko, kuchinta, puto cheese. I'm glad. Here is Biko. Biko, mga blanca. And banana cube. But I like it. Kuchinta. Kuchinta na ako, abe. Kuchinta na ako lang, isa lang. I will buy kuchinta, isa lang. This one, only one. I feel a little hungry. There are a lot of buses here. Today. Bus is bus. Cargo for water. This is cargo for water. There is a cargo for water. So what is your transaction here? Car of Ganya. Guys, thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. I'm having a small vlogs.